Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how you can get XP faster on your Duolingo app. The first thing to do is to open your Duolingo app. Once this is done, you'll be taken to your home page, and then you click on continue to continue with the courses. So, for you to be able to get an XP, you have to ensure that you've enrolled for a course. That is, you have enrolled for learning a particular language on the Duolingo app. Without enrolling, you cannot get an XP. Now, once you have enrolled and you want to start, and you've started learning, to get an XP, you have to complete a level. Yes, not just a lesson, a level. A level means that you have to complete all the lessons in a unit before going to the next unit. So once you're done completing a lesson on a unit, in a unit, you'll be awarded with an XP. Now, how can you get an XP faster? The other way to get an XP faster is by getting the pro version of Duolingo. Now, first way to do this is by clicking on the profile icon, which is located at the lower part of the screen. The profile icon is a smiley face icon. Once you click on that, you would go back to this home page. Then you click on the gem icon located at the top of the screen. Gem icon. Click on it, and then you would see the super version. The super version is also the pro version of Duolingo. So you can try it for free for 2 weeks. And on this pro version, you have the option of doing practices that will grant you access to earning XP faster. Another way to earn XP is by trying out the difficult exercises on each unit. As you keep learning, you will come across some exercises that are tagged difficult. Once you are able to do these tasks well, you would earn more XP. I hope that is clear, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. So go to your Duolingo app now and start earning more XP. Thanks for watching.